going to be really super specific. It's how to get from Southampton to Salford Quays via Manchester Airport. So the first tightwad dad tip, so it's a bit windy, the first tightwad dad tip is to get dropped off at the train station car park so you don't get the £2 drop-off fee. So we're through security, that means I can now get my water, get it from this shop. I love how the toilets here have really big cubicles with nice big space for your bag. It's really cool. Okay, so we're boarding now, gate 3, just over here. I love that you can just walk out of the cafe and straight onto the plane. It's brilliant. And that's our plane today.
Very good morning, welcome aboard this Flybe 865 service to Manchester. I'm just Richard, it's my pleasure to be your captain on today's service. Joining up front in the flying view is Craig, and in the back you've already met Dawn and Rebecca.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Craig likes to welcome you on board this Dash AQ400 for your flight to Manchester. Before we proceed with the safety demonstration, please ensure all portable electronic devices are placed into the flight safe mode. They must not be charged at any time and the cabin crew must be informed immediately if an electronic device is damaged, or produces smoke, is lost or falls into the seat structure. Please now stow any larger portable electronic devices such as laptop computers into your cabin baggage, either underneath the seat in front of you or into the overhead lockers. Fasten the tapes at the back and tie underneath the jacket in a double knot. Do not inflate until you are outside the aircraft. The jacket is inflated by pulling the red toggle downwards. Should it need more air, blow into this tube. It has a light and a whistle. We also carry children's flotation equipment. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelts are fastened, tray tables and seat backs are upright with the armrest down, and hand luggage is placed under the seat in front of you. May we remind you that we operate a non-smoking policy. May we wish you a pleasant flight.
So here we are at Manchester, and your options now are hire car, taxi, Uber, maybe a train. But obviously I'm a tightwad, so that can only mean the tram. So here we are on the cheap side. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go from Manchester Airport through Zone 3, Zone 2, change at Cornbrook, and then up to Salford Quays there. So you need a 432. We are good to go, and the tram's waiting for us. Made it. That was good. This is Cornbrook where I changed. It's taken me about 40 minutes to get here, and I've changed my mind. I'm going to go to Media City UK, so I'll wait a few minutes for one of those trams. So that took about an hour and 10 minutes. I hope this video has helped. If you made it this far into the video, why not let me know with a little thumbs up or a subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. And I hope this helps if you ever need to get from Southampton to Media City UK via Manchester Airport.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, bye.